Hey guys, so this is another weight loss update. So you guys saw my weight, I believe it was 285. So I did the math and then I posted from when I did the last video, and it was a weight loss of 7 pounds in a month, and that's good. That's really good. It's about 2 pounds a week. Not even, because there's 4 weeks in a month. So it's less than 2 pounds a week, so that sucks even more. I'm trying to be optimistic about it, but it is kind of upsetting, obviously. When I first started my weight loss journey, I lost a lot of weight, like fast. So it's kind of, a bump in the road, if you will. But it does happen. Like I mentioned in my last video, I have to do a lot of things differently now. So like I talked about in my last video, I have to do a lot of things differently. I have to really watch what I'm eating. I have to go to the gym more often. I did start going to the gym. Work again did kind of mess it up for me, if you will. There's gonna be some changes at work though, to where I should be less stressed out and less exhausted, to where I should be able to get back in, if not at least try to do something at home, because this is why I do the weigh-ins, right? So it's for everyone to see, like, hey, it's been a month, this is where I'm at, this is what I'm gonna do or try for, and it's a way to hold myself accountable for those things, right? So at first I didn't want to do the weigh-ins, but once I started to lose the weight, I was like, okay, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. And it is really like a motivational thing, not just for me, but for you guys too. Because, I am trying to move forward. Has my eating been 100%? Not anywhere near where it used to be. Again, when I first started, so that's something else I need to go back and do. I did do meal prep. I'll insert a picture here. So that was food that I made yesterday. It's strictly no carb, it's all veggies and meat. I did chicken and turkey, and then I have Brussels sprouts, I have rice cauliflower, I have peppers and artichoke hearts and green beans and just all types of stuff. So it's something I definitely want to push forward. I think one of the hardest parts, and this is for every single plus size woman in the entire world, one of the hardest things to do is not eat at night and not eat carbs at night. I was doing exceptionally well with this. It's something that I really have to push myself to keep doing. I think I've gotten into a state of, and this is kind of hard for me to talk about too, but when you're a certain weight, like I was my heaviest weight. I don't know if I told you guys before, but last summer I was probably about 350-ish, 340-ish, and that was the heaviest weight I've ever been in my entire life, and it was scary. And then probably last October I was around 328, I want to say, when I went to the doctor's office. So now I'm down to 285. So that's a great accomplishment. And my thing now is just that, like, I'm like, okay, well, I lost all this weight. Like, how come I don't look any different? So I get compliments every single day because I see people that I haven't seen in a long time, like where I work, like people come in that haven't seen me for a little while. They're like, oh my gosh, what are you doing? You look so good. Like, all these people are complimenting me. And then, like, I look in the mirror and I don't see anything that these people see. I see my arms that are still, like, gross. I see this big stomach, I see my thighs, pushed together, and, like, just all this stuff. So it's just like, and I know that I'm still, obese. I know that I'm still 285 pounds, and that's not skinny. But it's just really hard when you don't kind of notice it within yourself. Like, I guess I don't remember what I looked like 50 pounds ago or however much weight that was. But other people do, and that's all fine and great. But the problem is I don't see it. So it's kind of discouraging because it's kind of like, okay, well, I'm doing all this hard work, I'm doing this, but I'm not seeing results. Like, I'm not seeing actual results for myself. And that is something that you may go through. Some people, you might notice it. Other people like me, I guess, you're just, I don't get me wrong, like, I see certain things when I look at old pictures or even some of my old videos, like you can see my face is a lot like rounder and puffier and stuff. So that is one thing that I've noticed. I think it's more specifically my body though, like I still just see this like big fat person, which again, I'm still fat. So, you know, it's just one of those things. I posted a video, or I posted a picture on Instagram, like doing kind of a comparison from a few months ago until now. That was about a month ago though. I should do those monthly, that would make more sense. But, you know, I had some people comment like, oh, they can see the difference and all this other stuff. But I posted the pictures strictly because like I didn't really see the difference. And these are just things that I want to just talk about because it's something that truly does bother me. I just want to get it off my chest. I want to know if you guys experience the same thing, like anybody out there. Are you going through the same thing? Like, have you lost weight and, you know, you're still on your journey and you're not really seeing what you expected to see? Please let me know. I know it's just one of those things. I know that I have to wrap my head around it. I'm not letting it like weigh me down uncontrollably or anything. It's just one of those things, I guess, is the only thing I can keep saying about it. But I'm trying to push forward. Next month I hope to have a lot better number. I'm not trying to lose, you know, a bunch of weight really, really fast. It's not that at all. It's just about, I know that I have to hold myself accountable. I know I haven't been making the best decisions in the world. So to me, a 7-pound weight loss. If I was on The Biggest Loser, I don't think that they would be happy with that number. So I don't want to let myself be happy with that number either. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, if you want to know anything, if you want to share anything with me, please let me know in the comments down below. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button, the little red button, so you can continue to follow my journey and see all my other crazy videos that I post as well throughout the weeks. But that's all I have for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.